Guys, do I rule or what? I just scored a one-on-one with Alante. Hip-hop's hottest is gonna be on the cover of Bratz. He's in 3 days. What am I gonna wear? What am I gonna ask? What is so funny? Nothing. We've just never seen you so out of control before. Please, I am not out of control. Oh my gosh, my hair! I need a new cut fast, but I've got research to do!
Whoa! Yeah.
Be the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, we're at the best.
Hey guys, it's me again. Don't mind my broken nail. Anyways, what's happening? As y'all can see from the title, today we are doing a transformation challenge into a Bratz doll, Sasha to be exact. You know, it was definitely a challenge. You know, I did my best. It was a lot of hard work. But anyways, I'm not gonna talk too much in this intro. I just wanted to say hello, let you guys know what we're doing. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 400. Hey. All right, I'm done acting a fool. I'm gonna go ahead and get on into this challenge. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so this is about to be a challenge for real. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is what we're trying to achieve today. It's low-key like my look minus the super thin brows, but we're gonna do the best we can. My brows are gonna be a little thicker. Since this is a challenge and not a makeup tutorial, majority of this is gonna just be me talking about what I'm doing, not exactly telling you what I'm doing, because ain't nobody got time for that today. I almost thought I was out of my brow pencil. That would have been tragic. Her brows are pretty dark, so I'm gonna make mine's pretty dark today as well. We kind of have the same shape brows though, so that's good. Brows are done, dark and extra, just like Sasha, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids for the shadows with some more concealer. Same concealer I used to carve out my brows. We're ready for shadows. Looks like she has like a white highlight, but it's not exactly under her brow, so I'm gonna just do like a white little thing right here. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D palette and that white shade, or sorry, this white shade right here. I'm just taking a flat shader brush and that white shadow, I'm just placing it right here. Very lightly because it's not very crazy on her in the picture, so I just want a little bit right there. This shit looks crazy. Why, Sasha? Why'd you do that? Now I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber in the Modern Renaissance palette and a blending brush, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. First I'm gonna pack it because she does have it pretty dark, and then I'll blend it out. Even though Sasha's makeup doesn't really blend too much, so I don't think I'm gonna blend it actually. And hers is kind of rounded at the end, so I'm gonna try to keep that same kind of shape. Don't worry about the fallout because I haven't even started on my face makeup, so we'll clean that up later. This is just so horrible. This is worse than I used to do my makeup in high school. Okay. Sasha has a cut crease, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. To cut my crease, I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer, the shade Cool Tan. I'm trying to make sure I have the right shape that she has. So I could not find a light green minty shade like she has in that picture, so I'm taking this eyeliner and I'm going to shade in the outer corner of my eye on top of where we cut the crease. Actually, I need to wait for it to dry a little bit, so I am gonna go ahead and cut the crease on the other eye first. That side's cut. This side should be a little dry now. I'm gonna go ahead with that liner I showed you guys and just fill it in. Okay, this isn't working as well as I planned, so I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of get a lot of the pencil off of the actual pencil and put it onto my hand, like so. And then I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and put it in the, on my eye. Oh, this is not working like I planned. Even though it kind of still looks like the same color she's doing, so I'm not gonna trip too hard. All right, so that's on there. I'm gonna go in with this designer metallic shade from Lancome. It's like this army green color. And pack that on the inner corner of the eye. Low key, this literally looks like how her eyeshadow looked. It'll come together once I put some lashes on and some eyeliner. Okay, eyeshadow's done on both sides. I look so stupid, but I swear it's gonna come together and look like a Bratz doll. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes, wing liner like she has, and she also cut her crease with a black line. Real cute, Sasha, real cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it too, real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal face makeup routine for this look because she's pretty much normal. I mean, her nose starts down here, so I'll try to like maybe conceal my nose a little bit. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera really quick just to make this video quicker. All right, I went ahead and finished my foundation and concealer. I haven't put any powders down yet because I did want to film that part. Sasha's not much of a highlight queen, so I'm gonna use my banana powder to set under my eyes and my nose. And I'm not gonna put any highlighter except right here because that's the only place she had highlighter, so. And she looks like more of a baker than me, so I'll let it sit for a little bit. Looks like she has a little bit of bronzer on, so I'm gonna put a little bit of my contour powder that I use and just a tad bit of blush. Before I go in with the blush and the highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face. MAC Studio Fix powder. There's a spider on my window outside, and that is not my tea. I'm closing my window. Let me put a little bit of blush on. Very little, she doesn't have much on. And I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown highlight and just place it right underneath the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera and I'll be right back to do my lips. So while I was doing my lashes, I decided to go ahead and thin out my brows just a tad bit more because Sasha ain't got thick brows, hunty, so I didn't need to have thick brows, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips now. She's wearing a dark lip, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a dark lip too. I'm not gonna front. This challenge was a lot harder than I expected it to be. I was like, oh, I got this. I can look like Sasha easy. Bitch, no, I do not look like Sasha, okay? It's real quiet for me. I'm gonna go in with Espresso NYX lip liner first to line my lips, and I'm overlining because Sasha got them thick lips and I want them thick lips too. I'm filling in my lips with the liner too. I'm gonna go in with this NYX matte lipstick in the color Siren, and I'm gonna place that on my lip. There we go. Now I got Sasha lips. Bitch, I got Sasha lips. Bitch, I got Sasha lips. Bitch. Looks like she got a little gloss on, so I'm gonna throw a little bit on too. Her gloss is mostly in the center of her bottom lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss that there. Like so. She got a little bit on the top too. Okay. I'm gonna go back in with the liner and line just like the bottom of my lashes, like put little lines there to make it look like I have longer bottom lashes. Because Sasha got long bottom lashes. And I'm gonna line the bottom of my lash line on the outer corner. Alright guys, so the makeup portion is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig and scarf on and try to find a shirt kind of like what she's wearing, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm all done. How do you guys think I did? Honestly, I mean, we ain't twins, but alright, I'm gonna post the picture of her on the screen so you guys can see. But you know, I don't think I did too bad. We ain't twins or nothing, but it's close, you know what I'm saying? I had fun with this challenge. It was definitely a challenge. I ain't gonna flex, I ain't gonna front. Definitely a challenge, but it was fun. It was worth it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any comments, questions, suggestions you guys have, and subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. I'm really, really, really trying to get to 400 subscribers, so I'd appreciate it if you guys did. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, week, weekend, whatever. I will talk to you guys very soon, and I'll see you later. Bye.